Hello, viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you guys are absolutely well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can get unlimited free traffic to our website or any affiliate link and get Ablet to earn money. For this, we can choose the popular marketplaces like ClickBank, Amazon, AliExpress. We are able to get lots of offers products category. Here anyway, if you still don't like those affiliate platforms, you can visit to Offer Vault, and here you will able to find a lot of offers products according to different categories. Now here we are going to choose a ClickBank product to promote. I select this as a final product to promote. Let us find out its details. The vendor of this product has already given us all the related details that we need for promotion. Okay, now you need to create an infographic PDF doc based on the product offer. I'm using Google Docs for this. Make your PDF 5-part long. Why 5-part long? I'll tell you later in this video. Let's see what I'm doing here step by step. The annotations will help you to get a clear concept of this video. So, I'm turning off voiceover now. Create a linked account first, then go to SlideShare and create SlideShare account with LinkedIn. This is going to be our traffic source. You see, this site is getting more than 10 million visitors every month. So, it's a huge opportunity for us to make it useful. Update your bio. When you're uploading your PDF file, remember to put these keywords at the end of your file titles like PDF or infographic slides, presentation, ebooks, etc. Okay, remember I've told you to make 5-page of long PDF doc. Because SlideShare allows only quality content information, so you have to put good information at least the first 3 pages, then you can give a link on the next page. I hope this video will help you to get quality traffic on your website. It's not finished yet. Wait, you can search for related topics and give comments on the top posts, and also follow the users of your competitors. Click here, you will get all the analytics of each file you upload. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to it now and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get new tips and tools every day.